What's going on, everybody? This is going to be a quick video today, and it's going to be how anybody could start selling products on Amazon with no previous skills or anything of that nature. I'm going to go ahead and walk through this really quick on just how you can start sourcing products yourself and get started selling on Amazon today. Without further ado, let's get in this computer. You see we're in the computer. We're going to go over here to Alibaba.com. I'll also open up a second tab, Amazon.com. And we're going to locate a product, something you could potentially start selling or that you've seen other people sell, and then we'll show you just how you can source that product. So, for example, let's do a ring light for photography. I've got one right here. So you see there's a bunch of different options. We got a bestseller right here, 8-inch selfie ring light with tripod stand and cell phone holder. Not sure exactly how tall it is, whatever. We could look at it. We'll go over here, but you see it sells for $30. We go over to Alibaba.com and we'll go to ring light. And you see it yourself. We have different ones. But you see the price is $7 to $10. All different kinds. 8-inch ring light, 10.2-inch halo. This looks almost identical to what we saw on the Amazon. So let's just click it real quick and see if it's almost the same exact stuff, because almost all the images will even be the same. I don't want to watch a video. 8-inch, 10.2-inch halo, different color options. So if we go over here, 8-inch ring light, different color options, you get the gist. It's the same exact product. They're sourcing from Alibaba at, let's just say they're paying $10. You could obviously negotiate this price depending on how many you order, how big you get into Amazon. If you're ordering thousands of units at a time, this could be substantially lower. You're probably paying $5 per unit. Because you see, we got people selling from 7 to 18, 19, 7 to 12, 30 to 36, just depending on what, that's totally different. I don't even know what that is, 500K desktop lamp. So what you would do is you would do a little bit of product research. You would try to find something you want to sell. So like you could go in here and just type the first couple letters of something. Lashes. See, I pushed L, lashes pop up. You got these fake lashes, and you see Jamire. We all know that's not like a real brand or anything. This is just people selling on Amazon. Valicia, Mix 3D. So you got fake lashes, right? 7 pairs, 5 pairs. Let's go back over here real quick. Eyelashes. And see, you get different 3D real monk eyelashes, fake eyelashes. 95 cents per piece. Obviously, you could buy these in the kit. Let's something like this, 27, like this right here. I don't know what it is. It's got a kit though, which this box is nice. Something like this is what you would want to sell on Amazon, where it looks different than other people's, whatever it is, the branding. You see they're paying about 50 cents to 80 cents per pair. So if you have 5 pairs, that's, let's say, $2.50. These people are selling 5 pairs for $8.30. It's just dependent who you are as a seller and how good of a deal you get, but you see how profitable this can be. So let's just say we want to sell these at, let's do these 23 cents a pair, packaging, custom packaging, whatever. So what you would do, they've been in business, what I like to do is I like to actually check out the supplier. I go to their website, let it load, and then do a little bit of research on their company. Just see how it's 6 years, verified supplier, or they have trade assurance. They got a gold supplier. Trade assurance means your money is protected if all your orders are done through Alibaba trade assurance, which I highly recommend when you're just getting started. But come in here, look at the company, look at the company profile, company overview, and just look at what they offer. 4.9 out of 35 reviews, 50,000 plus transactions. Response time is less than 24 hours. I would check that. I would send them a message, see how the response time is. There are manufacturing facilities, so they are used to manufacturing products like OEM or ODM. So original design, you could create your own design. They've been in business for quite some time, 2013. They have a good amount of employees. They're not just 2 employees. So this is kind of how I would vet my supplier to make sure they're decent. I would then hit contact supplier, and then I would I would message them. I have a template I use. I can put that in the description down below for you to use. Go ahead and send the template out, fill in the blanks, and tell me that you want a price quantity quote of 250, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 units, and just talk to them like you're a professional in the field of Amazon. See if they know anything about Amazon. I would reach out to 3 different companies once you find the product you want, and say you wanted to sell fake eyelashes. I would do this to 3 different companies. I would vet them. I'd contact all 3 of them. I would record who responded the fastest, who was the most knowledgeable, what their prices were in comparison, and then I would order a sample from all 3 of them. And for this, your sample, obviously you're not going to change the product, but you could change the box design. So I would give them your own logos and stuff like that, have them create you a box, and then have them send you a sample. You're going to have to pay for it, but you should get it within a week, and then you can see which is actually the best. And these obviously have like a glue or something that goes on your eyes. I would physically check them out, try them, see which ones work. If you can, or have your girlfriend or fiance or wife, whatever it may be, try these out and see if they work up to their expectations, and make sure you have a good quality product. And then I would go through and I would go ahead and order yourself 250 units, 500 units, whatever you could afford, and then have them ship them directly to your Amazon warehouse. And to do that, you would actually go over to Amazon. You would go to Amazon Seller Central, and you would sellercentral.amazon.com. Come in here, hit register now. I have an account. So you would click start selling. It's going to cost you $40 a month plus additional selling fees. These are Amazon FBA fees plus 15%, which is what they take off of the revenue. They have calculators for this, so I'm not going over it in this video. It's all done within Amazon Seller Central. Once you go into Amazon Seller Central, you'll hit create a listing, add a product. You'll create a product listing. You'll put keywords in. You'll create a shipping plan, and that shipping plan will tell you what warehouse Amazon wants you to ship all your products to, which point in time you'll create a shipping label. You'll send your shipping label over to your supplier, and then they can ship it directly to Amazon for you. So that's going to wrap up this video. I know it was quick. If you want me to slow down, if you want anything, a little bit more details, leave a comment below. And like I said, I'll leave in the description, I'll leave that template. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below on what you want to see or what you need more information on, and we'll dive into it in the next video. We'll see you later.